Coach Tony, over 50, men's fitness. After the age of 50, a lot of men notice that they're starting to lose energy, not heal as fast from taking long walks or hiking or doing something that's, physically exerting themselves. But here's the thing. If you want to reclaim your energy, your health, your strength, your fitness, and the confidence you had in your prime years, it's important to put the right things in place. For example, YouTube videos are fine, but are you actually using the information to aid yourself in a set goal? Another example, do you have newsletters that are doing absolutely nothing for you that you should unsubscribe from? And are there newsletters that would be more helpful for you to regain your confidence, your health, strength, your vigor, your vitality, your libido? Again, when we put the right things around us and we start to use these things on a daily basis, then things start to change. Now, I would like to invite you to my free newsletter. It's called Over 50 Fit Man Newsletter. The Over 50 Fit Man Newsletter. Right in the description, right down below, you can click that link, join the newsletter, and as time goes on, I have 3 free things that I give you. I give you a free nutrition guide with meal plans all laid out for you. I also give you a 7-day fitness jump start, and the other one's a surprise. In any case, join me on my free newsletter, and I hope to see you and be talking to you. It comes out every Friday morning, specifically for men over 50. This is Coach Tony asking you to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.